Welcome to English with iMaster. My name is Mr. Joseph. Today, I'm going to show you the letter S and the SH sounds. The S has a S sound and the SH has a SH sound. Let's begin. The S has a S sound. See, sick, side, salad, sink, super. Now you say it with me. See, sick, side, salad, sink, super. Let's try the sentences. We ordered a salad for lunch. Put on your seatbelt before leaving. They always want to play soccer. I ate chicken noodle soup when I was sick. Now, did you hear that? Make sure you say the sentence all the way through. Make sure you say the words in the sentence all the way through as well. Okay, now let's try the SH. Shop, she, Washington, shampoo, short. Now you say it with me. Shop, she, Washington, shampoo, short. Now let's try the sentences. She bought a cut, color, and shampoo. She washes her hair in the shower. I shave my face in the morning. Make sure you use the sh sound and not the s sounds. Alright, now let's combine the S and the SH together. Sunshine, splash, squash, slush. Now you try it with me. Sunshine, splash, squash, slush. Let's try the sentences. She would sit and wait every day for the bus. She is so sad she is crying. Wash your hands with soap. She is too sick to go to work. Make sure you stress the sh and the s in the words of the sentence. Okay, you guys try it out and let me know how it goes. Good luck!